And the late adopter. Hi guys, how you doing? Welcome to a new Matic video. Right now minus 1.39%. It's falling down out of this channel. You can see here out of the channel it's falling down. So we're gonna talk about that. We're gonna look some moving averages. We're gonna talk about these numbers and stuff like that. Before we get into that, subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed. Like the video if you're not like the video, and let's get into the charts. Make my face small charts bigger and see what actually is happening here on Matic right now. So as you can see clearly up over here, we had a very nice support line below us, right? Was going this channel over here, and right now we're broken to the downside, unfortunately. So right now we're in this trading range between 151 and 169. So what's actually gonna happen here is kind of hard to tell. Right now this is a no-go zone. You know, if you want to trade this, you know, you either go here or here, you know, wait for maybe some kind of breakout, you know, and see what happens out of that. But right now it's literally in the middle of the trading zone. Right now it just broke out to the downside of the channel, and it is technically some kind of new channel up here. Let's see if we can draw the new channel. You know, it's a little bit tricky, maybe something like this, give or take. And the other parts, I think it's down here, something like this, yeah, give or take. Maybe some kind of wedge if you pull it like all the way, something like this. Maybe some kind of falling wedge that will actually break on the upside over here, or something like that. It's a long shot, but it can also be some kind of a channel, right? It's really hard to call the channel. It's really hard. Maybe we should go down to 30 minutes and see if we can call the channel. Let's see if can we call this a channel on the 30 minutes. Let's call it a falling wedge and say that it's gonna break to the upside. But it's really close. It's really close of what it is. But right now the important thing to note is that this trend is right now broken, and the trend will actually act as a resistance once we start going up here. Okay, so not only do we have a 169 line to break, we got this trend line that's been going over here that we will have to break before we actually break in 184. So we're gonna see how that works out. But it's important to know that right now we have this very important trend line going on right below it. But you know, we have been going if you look at the moving averages on the over here, 10 20 moving average, you can see the big move, you know, it came, and right now we are going for some consolidation period, because this just went too fast to the upside. You know, it was riding the 10 moving average, and 10 moving average is a fast moving average. You can see here right now we are hitting the 10 moving average. We had, before, only here on the start we had some kind of bounce and then started going up. Here we didn't even touch the 10 moving average. We were just going faster, and right now this move to the upside is finished. Right now we're going through consolidation, and once the consolidation is done, maybe pick some 20 moving average up here. We might actually bounce off of that and continue going to the upside. Let's see all the moving averages, how they're looking. You can see also the 200 moving average right above us, giving us some kind of resistance up here. So I think we need at least 20 moving average up here to actually bounce us to the upside. Let's see how this looks on the 1 hourly chart. You can see here on 1 hourly chart, the important moving average to follow is the 50 moving average, because it was acting as a both support and resistance. Up here was a support, up here or down here resistance, broke it, you know, support, broke that, try to get above it, try the back down. Once we broke it again, it went down for a retest and start climbing. Right now we're getting support there, so it's a good thing that we are getting support on the 50 moving average up here. But you know, we have been climbing for very fast, and it's nice to see that we are getting some kind of support up here. But never say never, you know, this can also break on the downside, but it's nice to have the support. That said, let's move a little bit back, just get our lines back. There we go. So you can see here the 20 moving average on the 4 hour, it's all the way down here at 152 or something like that, right? So maybe on the way down over here we might actually go down and hit the 20 moving average, and then use 20 moving average to get out of this falling wedge. So that's what I think it might happen. You know, assumptions are better for tech analysis. You know, you just want to see where it breaks and follow that, right? But right now I think it might actually just go down to 20 moving average, get some kind of bounce off of that, and then continue to the upside. But either way, bottom line 151, that's the support, and 169, that's the resistance. So you got some kind of trading range. And like I said in the start, if you're gonna do anything stupid, do it up here or down here. Like this move up here, like it's nothing. Like right now, it's a no-go zone. Okay, so you know, if you want to do something stupid, do it at least on the support or resistance, you know. Anyways, guys, that's it what I got for Matic right now. Come back tomorrow, but subscribe to the channel first, and on the way out, hit the like button, check down the links below to the tech analysis crash course if you want to learn, you know, tech analysis. Anyways, see you around. Bye bye.